Yeah, still missing Henry Ridder and what's beside note the hooker too, and Cody Null, three important forwards. The Rico Messina, Vickers Kutsia, and
Dirk de Pre. En ons wag net vir die afskop. Ek dink ek gaan lekker hang daarso. Word ingevat deur 'n luitstander. Goeie duikslag daar.
He's been held up in the tackle there. He's going to try to get that to ground. Referee said maul already, so it could be scrum to sacks and early
eerste waarskuwing daarso.
He's going inserting at the back.
Ah, great line.
Good take by Harry Bell at the back. Brave throw in these conditions, peeling off the.
Yeah.
Got a bit of a momentum now. Sacks around the
corner.
corner.
Met Boland Landbou.
Boland need to get back and stop this one. It could go. Sacks could go all the way. Yeah.
Baie mooi dryf.
20-meter more try against Boland. That doesn't get better than that for Sacks.
Nee, ongelukkig mis dit. So is 5-0. Elke keer Sacks in die gebied kom van Boland Landbou, dan maak hulle dit definitief
tel. Penalty advantage. Should come away with at least 3 points here. Carrick, the man who started with that steal on the ground in the wide channels. Daniel Grant coming back
inside. Binne toe gebreek weer. Daai, daar's 'n man se broek weer weg. Second time today.
Chips that one over.
Ja.
Now Saxon probably kicked the touch and Morley again.
Maar ek dink die bal is uit nie. Pieterberg staan hom binne.
Pieterberg kicks by Daniel Grant taking
it. Baie goeie skop gewees daar nie.
Not the best kick by, and you're going to get penalised again. Big boy.
In the hole!
It's kicked by Skills.
Almost pulled it there.
And also there's no 8th man to pick and go blind there. But Brits has got himself. He's having a go. He's a good player. He's a good player.
Trek en speel.
Well, I thought if he had passed it, he might have scored.
Gianne van Bo wat nou die bal het. Wat vir Divan Grobler die bal gee het. En Divan Grobler is oor om hy 3 te gedruk het.
He says no. Change his mind.
Nee.
Ref was unsighted there, unfortunately for Boland. He was on the wrong side.
Nee, hy het die 3 gegee. Dit lyk vir my so. En maar Gianne van Bo het baie goed gedoen om haar deur te trek en dan kon offload vir Divan Grobler.
Those second more breakaways, obstruction. Anyway, Boland happy to kick it into touch and take half time. Pieterberg the restart. Matthew Carrick under it. It's Stefan lets it go over his head. Matthew Carrick ends up with the ball. He sets it up. So actually we're looking to exit here. Maybe he set up a pod first before back to Daniel Grant carrying.
Ek sien Franco de Villiers is op vir Boland Landbou, maar ek sien seker in wie se plek hy op is nie. Waar is sy nommer
19?
19, I think so.
Sacks playing a couple of phases here before they exit. Might have taken it outside now. Potgieter to Carrick, he's caught behind that one. I'm not sure what they were thinking there. Putting themselves under unnecessary pressure. Putting themselves under unnecessary pressure. Yeah, a couple of phases in their 22. Just get the ball back to Potgieter and bang it downtown. Forbes tries to kick now himself.
En Divan Grobler, goeie hande daar. Wieke Skutsie wie die bal daar het. They're going to the back.
No, middle ball. Harry Bell brings it down. They've got most of the team in there. They stayed on their feet. Boland on the ground. Sacks get it down.
Drie daar, baie mooi dryf.
Back to Skills on target. Beautiful kick right through the middle of the poles.
Jaden kyk sy opsies. Speel vir Pieterberg. Pieterberg word opgedoen. Dit is baie jammer dat hy die bal misgevang het daar. Maar hier gaan die opsies.
Oxte's brother.
Nou vir die boetie. Hier gaan Jaden Ox. 'n Leidstander wat daar gaan. 'n Leidstander wat gaan. Dit lyk ons hulle onder reg deur die bal gaan. En so hoog vat daar.
High tackle by Carrick.
Dit is geen hoog vat nie.
Ref says no.
Boland Landbou het nog steeds die bal. Gee vir Dirk de Pre wat vorentoe beweeg daarso. Nog steeds Boland Landbou bal. Vir Pieterberg, Jason Ox. Jason Ox gee vir en dit se vorentoe aangee daarso na Dante Christians toe. En Dirk de P steps up. Dirk de P gaan.
Big man sets it up.
John Visagie wat die bal daar optel.
Into the piri piris.
You know it. Boland Landbou loves this kind of rugby. Baie stadige spel. Seks mooi verdediging daarso.
It's just a good
Lyk weer
trouble
soos Dirk de Pre wat die bal opvat. Daar maak hulle meter.
Good meters there on the blind side. Saks got to defend for their lives. It's difficult close to the line.
Daar tel hulle weer op. Same side.
Pops it off.
Andre Leroux is onkant. Skynsregter sê onkant.
The margins are so small there. You're trying to keep meters.
Weer mooi vorentoe gebeur deur Boland Landbou.
Boland playing with advantage. You can probably bring it out to one of the Oxes, Dante Christians, or one of the Oxes. Line of a crack in the middle.
Jaden wag vir hom. Pieter Berg self. Net geduldig wees daar. Dante hierdie bal, Dante Christians die bal. Nee, hy het hom weer. Andre Leroux, daar gaan die Oxie, Jason Ox. Boeta Jaden Ox. Pieter Berg het hom daar. John Visagie.
Oh, best be close there now. Good ball. Brits. Pieter Berg ducking back inside.
En Pieter Berg is oor om die 3 te druk. Boland Landbou baie mooi.
They can't rely on a penalty or drop kick. Jaden Brits.
Baie goeie skopper, stelskopper paal het toe.
Maybe a bit of luck there, a bit of luck for Saks, a bit of luck for Boland. The ball's got back to Boland. Jaden Brits breaking blind.
High tackle maybe. No.
Standard. He's the playmaker. Brits is going to make it happen for his team here now.
Pieter Berg wat inkom, Derek Messina wat nou die bal vorentoe vat.
They need to hold on to the ball now, Boland.
Ja.
The playmaker Brits is going to weave his magic. He's doing it.
Fransje de Villiers vir Aleid Stander wat die bal dan daarso mooi vat. Pieter Berg wat hom vat. Blyk de Kok wat vorentoe vat. Wat afgaan daar. Blyk is reg deur. Blyk de Kok is reg deur.
He's been playing centre most of the season.
Hy gee daar vir Johnny van Bo. En is in die hoekie en hy druk die 3.
Unbelievable. Blyk de Kok has played centre most of the season. 4 minutes to go with the kick to come. There'll probably be about 3 left when the kickoff comes. Jaden Brits. What a player.
Hy skop hom reg so waar het hy skoor.
Play set it up with Dante Christians. They're using the blind side here. 8-9. Brits can put in his boot. One back by Saxo.
Vorentoe aanslaan daar deur nommer 10 en 'n penalty.
He needs to kick this dead if nothing else. He's missed it, but it's gone dead.
It's gone dead, like you said.
And that's the ball game.
And it's a steal for Boland Landbou, I think, today. I think Sax played a very good game.